Definitely not snowing this Christmas. It won't be at least super hot, but it will be fairly warm tomorrow. Back in the 70s during the daytime. Starting off, though, mainly in the 50s, there could be a good chance of fog in the morning, kind of like we saw this morning. There was some pretty thick areas of fog. Kind of got thickest right around sunrise and just after. So watch for that in some areas tomorrow. It may not be foggy everywhere, but after that, kind of partly sunny or a little cloudy at times later in the morning and afternoon. So fog late tonight and tomorrow morning. After that, 70s during the afternoon, and then the next significant change in the weather is a cold front over the weekend. Early Sunday morning, it should come through with not a big drop in temperatures, but could drop temperatures down into maybe the 60s or lower 70s for highs, and maybe a few light rain showers headed into next week. Temperatures tonight, though, dropping into the 50s. Some fog possibilities in spots overnight as temperatures do cool off a few more degrees. And then tomorrow we warm back into the 70s to near 80 degrees if the sun's able to break through. I think it may be cloudier than today. Maybe not clouds all day, but kind of a mix of sun and clouds tomorrow. And so Santa there bringing hopefully some nice weather for you tomorrow. Foggy in some areas in the morning. Starts off in the 50s at 8 a.m. By noon, we're back in the 70s in most spots, and then later in the afternoon, mid-70s or so. Dry weather tomorrow and probably dry in most areas through Thursday and Friday. So future track overnight shows by 3 a.m. maybe some fog forming in spots. And again, could get thick towards sunrise in some locations. And then you see the maps all dry tomorrow. If you're doing anything, it looks pretty quiet traveling around the valley tomorrow, just maybe in and out of some clouds. Clouds could thicken a little more on Thursday and Friday, but still I think we're looking at basically dry weather. Now, if you're looking farther down the road into the rest of the holiday week, one weak storm system rolls into Texas but kind of fizzles out. So travel weather is very good if you're leaving on Christmas Day or waiting for someone to come in around Texas. And then again on Thursday, not much going on. Thursday, you see maybe a few sprinkles up to the north, but it looks fairly quiet. By Friday, though, notice on the map there's a weak front to the north. Could have a couple showers around the state, but here in the valley, we're looking at probably just clouds. And then same thing on Saturday, dry here, some showers to the north. This next front, though, a little stronger, is able to move through here early Sunday morning. You see future track shows maybe like 5 a.m. or so. And behind that, computer models kind of diverge, we'll say, whether everything kind of clears out or some clouds linger Sunday and then maybe some showers return early next week. So it's possible that we could kind of wrap up the decade or wrap up the year by Tuesday or so with maybe a few light rain showers going into New Year's Eve night. So something to watch, not a certainty, but it may be a little light rain around by New Year's. If you are traveling Christmas Day or the day after, 70s in Laredo, 70s in Corpus Christi and dry weather. San Antonio mainly near 70 degrees and dry, and Houston mainly in the 70s Wednesday and Thursday. So first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. We stay mainly in the 70s for highs next few days. Could see more clouds at times. Watch out for some fog early tomorrow morning, maybe a few patches again Thursday and Friday mornings. Saturday looks fairly warm. That front comes through Sunday morning with maybe 1 or 2 light rain showers, but almost no rain, and then a few light rain showers could return with cooler weather by Monday and Tuesday. And Merry Christmas, everyone. We won't be here tomorrow night, but I'll see you later in the week.